me go in here and see what the hell Minnie talking about up in this joint. Minnie, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What do that?
What are you doing?
Hold on, I'm not ready to go. Let me make one off to it. What'd you say?
What are you doing?
Oh, with me, I vacuumed the fly. There's so many fly out there, and I see them, and I see one, and I would vacuum, I would clean it up, right? And then I see a fly, I said, oh fuck, I'm gonna make vacuum to him. And then I try to get him, and I see a bunch more come. And I said, oh fuck, I'm gonna make vacuum to all of them. But then, I tried to get one like that. But then, I didn't get nothing. Yeah.
Minnie, why are you...
Huh?
Where's the flies? Why are you doing that?
Oh, I got one. See?
Minnie,
What? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
Minnie, I'm gonna come back later, okay?
You what?
I'm gonna come back later.
What?
Minnie,
What?
I'm gonna come back later.
Hold on, I can't hear you. I'm gonna make one off to it. Wait just a second. What'd you say?
I said I'm gonna come back later, okay?
Oh, yeah, just come back later, because maybe then later, I might be doing nothing. Then I can help you. What's your name? What's your name? I help you. What you want?
Oh, nothing. It's okay. I'll come back later.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll go do this and then I'll call you later, okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, yeah.
What is wrong with this?
Oh, there it is.